Hi and welcome to CBW products. This is our Mercedes CLA250 carbon fiber look mirrors. These are a direct replacement for the originals. As you can see by the inside, they have all the original fittings. So this is unbolt the original and fit the new one, rather than some of the products on the market where you replace it with a cover over the top, which is not ideal. They could fly off, or just not as good fit. Sometimes you can see the original under the actual original mirror. So here we go. And, as far as imitation carbon goes, it looks pretty realistic. I think you would agree. Can't wait to try them on the car, see what they look like. Stay tuned.